Good day everyone, in today's feature, we take a closer look at one of the world's oldest and most influential civilization, the ancient Egypt. Historical record shows that as early as 6000 before Common Era, communities began settling along the Mediterranean Earth. These early Egyptians developed skills in organization, record keeping, and in engineering, skills that laid the groundwork for their expanded kingdom. Their practical use of mathematics allowed them to track seasonal changes, measure land for agriculture, and create monumental structure and maintain order throughout their society. In this video, we explore how the mathematical brilliance of ancient Egypt helped shape the foundations of the modern world.
A major source of Egyptian mathematics is the Rhind Mathematical Papyrus, which was copied by scribe Amos around 1650 BCE. Egyptians used a decimal system based on hieroglyphic symbols for numbers like 1, 10, 100, and up to a million, even though they had no true place value or zero. To write numbers, they simply repeated these symbols as many times as needed, allowing scribes to record crops, manage trade, calculate taxes, and keep the entire kingdom organized. Another important document is the Berlin Mathematical Papyrus, which contains problems involving like geometry, algebra, and early equations, showing how the Egyptians approached more advanced mathematical ideas.
Their methods of multiplication involve doubling numbers repeatedly, like how computers use binary coding. Division was done using linear fractions, breaking things into parts like 1/2 or 1/3, which help with fair sharing food or land. This clever technique made everyday math practical and efficient.
Egyptian surveyors used body-based measurement like pound and cubit to map land and build monuments. They applied 3, 4, 5 triangles to make a perfect right angle. A key figure, Ankh, worked on geometry, helping calculate volumes useful in constructing Egypt's famous temple and pyramid.
Includes algebraic and geometric problems, showing that Egyptians could solve quadratic equations. They approximated the area of circles, even understood volumes of pyramids. Their math was advanced for its time.
Later Egyptian mathematicians like Abu Kamil extended algebra, influencing the medieval Islamic and European math. Ibn Yunus contributed to astronomy by refining the calculations of the stars and calculus. Egyptian mathematical wisdom formed the foundation of scientific and architectural achievements worldwide. So remember, ancient Egyptian math are smart, practical, and fascinating. Even thousands of years later, its brilliance shines. So next time when you see a pyramid or solve a math problems, think of those clever scribes and keep loving numbers.